Okay, are we recording? Yes. In Dominica, we took the hibiscus leaf and make shampoo. So I'm going to show you how we did it. We picked the leaves, the green leaves, not the yellow leaves, the green leaves. And I'm putting them in a clear container so you can see what I'm doing. Just pulling leaves because we are going to make some hibiscus leaf shampoo. I'm not going to use it to shampoo my hair, I'm just showing you how we did it. The bird is having, it's a big bird on the outside over there. I don't know the name of the bird, but we are making hibiscus leaf shampoo. In Dominica, back in the 60s, 70s, we didn't have shampoo. We didn't have money for shampoo. If there was shampoo, there's very little shampoo to buy, really. Most of the people growing up, we did our own. We just find bushes. We find different bush and we make different things like tea, bush tea. There was always a different bush to make tea, just like we use different bush to make shampoo. But this one, hibiscus, was very popular when it comes to the one to make shampoo out of. And I'll put enough in there so I can get a good shampoo going. But that was our thing. Saturday mornings, you wake up, you do your chores, and then you collect hibiscus leaves and you go and carry water and you come back and you make your shampoo for your hair. Each of us would make our own batch. So when my mom was ready to shampoo her hair, we would walk her to the basin. My basin was there, it's a blue basin. I said, this is mine, and she'd wash my hair. My sister own was there, and we let it sit in the sun so the water could be nice and warm so she can shampoo her hair. Now that I have all the leaves in here, I have enough leaves, I'm gonna go get water and I will be showing you how I make it. Now that I have all the leaves in here, I'll put water and I'll show you how I do it. Now this is the water. I put this, the leaf is in there, and then the water. You see that it's just water. I'm going to wash the leaves, rub the leaves together, and then you will see what I'm trying to do it with one hand, but that's not gonna happen. And remember, the leaves, bugs like to be on them, so you're gonna make sure there are no bugs in your water. But remember, animals, it's nature. The plant is nature, animals are in nature. So just make sure your water and your leaves are nice. And I want you to see the consistency. It's just water, because when I'm finished, you'll see the consistency of it. This is the leaf right here, and I'm going to rub them together so I can make the shampoo. I'm a one-woman camera person right now, so I can't show you, but I'll try to. This is what we did. We rubbed them together, Get them together, rub them, because we gotta get to release what we need to make the shampoo with, right? And it didn't take long. We did that like clockwork. So now I'm just gonna do it because I have to do it in the water. And you can hear it. It's like washing clothes, but you just rub in the liquid out of the leaves. Now I am done rubbing it together and making the shampoo. See the consistency of the water now? It's just so in Dominica we would, hopefully I get a good shot because like I said, I'm a one woman show here. We would take most of the leaves out and squeeze it because we don't want our shampoo to go anywhere, right? So we squeeze it to make sure all of it comes out. The more you squeeze it, the better it is because you want to save. The more you squeeze it, the better it is because you want to save your stuff. You see my hand? Hopefully you can see my hand. And I'm going to put that aside. Now, I do the same thing again. I have to remove as many leaves as possible. Because this is how we used to wash our hair. So after you finish shampoo your hair, you'll have little bits of leaves in your hair. And that was fun because when your hair dry, they just flake off before you do anything else with your hair. But I'm for you to see, I'm doing the same process like when I was a kid. This is what I did. Remove as much of it as possible. So this is what I took off. This is what's left. This is the liquid. You see its difference? Now I'm going to strain some so you can see. I bought a strainer, a clear bottle, and I'm going to strain a little bit so you can see. Hopefully I catch all the footage because doing this alone is a lot. It's hard to see, especially I'm outside. So I go to the strainer. I don't know if I'm holding this upside down, right side up. I don't know. Oops. To be on the safe side, let me do this. So I'm just straining some so you can see. So when I strain it, this is what's in there. And we used to strain it too sometimes. And now the unstrained liquid is this. You see it? And then if I try to pour it, you'll see it's not like watery. It's a little thicker. And this is what we take to wash our hair. Take a look at it. My shampoo back in the day in Dominica. And I can still go in and take out extra stuff. The more you take out, the better it is, so the less stuff you have in your hair after you wash it. Sometimes we would strain it, sometimes we wouldn't. I'm going to strain a whole jar. Okay, now I have one jar. I'll put it over there so you can see. One jar full of shampoo. See the consistency? It has changed color. It's a little thicker, and this is what I used to wash my hair with. This is the one in the bowl. If you notice, everything in the bottom has been settled, and this is the liquid. I hope you learned something new with my hibiscus shampoo from Dominica when I was growing up. And this is the hibiscus brunch. Hibiscus brunch, my strainer, the excess, and my hibiscus shampoo. Thank you all again for watching. Stay blessed and keep rising.